Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, welcome. My name is Maureen. I am so very happy to have you. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and leave me a comment. If you have not yet subscribed, please subscribe before you leave. And let's get right into today's video. Today's video is an Ulta haul, and this cute little makeup case is full of Ulta Beauty products, and this particular one is Make Today Pretty, and it is a 52-piece collection, and it had a $29.99 price tag with $167 value, and I got it on sale for $19.99, and I just checked the website and they no longer have these in stock. And this flips up like that. It has a nice mirror. And you always receive a coupon for your next purchase of any Ulta Beauty collection for $5 off. So we'll put that there. And this is a nice little pocket if you wanted to keep anything there. And we'll put it this way. And then inside came two little carriers. And in this first one came two palettes. We will take this out. And it's kind of hard because these are black, and it comes with one of those little things. And there are little pockets in here so that you can put, you know, I guess if you wanted to, you could put brushes, and they go, you can see they go straight through, and they are all the way around the carrier. So that's that carrier. And they fit nicely right in there. We'll just leave that in there. So you got your two palettes. And we will just untape those. And take these out. We don't need this plastic here. And this is the first palette. It gives you all the names on the back. And these are all the colors that you get. And these look like, just let me look at the back. These look like these are all inclusive. Yes, you have lip creams. You have liners. So you have a matte. Here, maybe I'll do this on camera here. It's going to be kind of hard because I can't read them. So you have a bronzer, a blush, and a highlighter. So highlighter, blush, and a bronzer. These are eyeshadows, these two rows here. These are all eyeliners. And it's charcoal, emerald, purple, and navy. And these are gel eyeliners. And then the bottom are lip balms. And they are wine lip cream, a mulberry lip cream, a rose lip cream, and a shimmer pink lip cream. And that's what you get in there. And these, the eyeshadows, the blush, and the highlighter are all glitter. Okay. And then in the second one, same theory. Same on the back. Get a bronzer, a blush, a highlighter, your two rows of mattes and shimmers. And then you still have your eyeliners and your lip balm. And yeah, the other one are all shimmers. So let's see these. So these are just slightly different. So there's your bronzer, your blush, and your highlighter. And these two rows here are your eyeshadows. These are your eyeliners. And these are your lip balms. And I'll show you them side by side. And they're similar, but yet not the same. Let's go back a little further. So there's the two palettes. There is no mirror. They could have put a mirror on it, but I'm okay with that. So they would be very pretty. So those are those two, and we'll just put them back in their little, and then in the second one, so you got another one similar to the first one. Take this one, oh, this lid came right off. So in this one, okay, we have, this product must have been in there. So in here we have a matte eye primer in nude, a sharpener, and then we have a shimmer lip gloss and a shimmer lip gloss right here. And these are minis, they're small. So we'll just get this back in there so that we can get everything. So that is part of that, the second kit. And then in this part came some brushes. And the first brush is a blush brush. Nice brush. This is a crease brush. Fluffy. And then this is a shadow brush. So with the palettes, at least you got some brushes so that you can complete your look. Which is good because you have some, I don't know if I'm going to get this one out. So this one has the liners. And these are double-ended. Oh, two different colors on each side. So this first one here is, take them out. So it's a decent size pencil. This end here is terracotta. And this end up here, oh, this is a lip liner. Are they all lip liners? Dual brow, dual eye. Oh, this is a lip liner. Okay, so this is terracotta and this is mauve. And that's there. Maybe I should take the caps off so that you can see. And I can swatch that. So this first one is the terracotta. Okay. So this is the terracotta right here. And then this one here is the mauve. So that's a nice double-ended. So you have two lip products right there. And this is a dual eyeliner. You get black and brown. So you have black. It's a little, almost like it skips. And this is brown. Maybe they just need to warm up. So there's your black and your brown for your eyeliners. Sometimes you have to warm them up to your skin. And this is a dual brow pencil with medium brown and dark brown. So here's medium brown. That's a little bit better. Medium brown. And this is the dark brown. Yeah, they just might have to warm up to your skin. So there's those two right there, the browns. So that's what you get in this. So you have lip liner, eyeliner, and brows. You have your matte primer, your sharpener, so you can sharpen your pencils. Two shimmer lip glosses are in this one. Okay, this one is right here. And then it came with your blush, crease, and shadow brush. And these are nice brushes. These are not horrible brushes at all. And then this sits in here like this. And then here, and this had a lid on it. Sit down. And then we have the two palettes. And that went into the side, which I don't know if I can get that back in. There, so we won't put the plastic back in. And the palettes do fit in side. And you would put that in here. Right? And then close up your kit. And if you, I mean, obviously you can close it up. Nice carry. It's, you know, obviously faux leather. It's decent size. You can see the size. And it's like a burgundy color. you could, you know, obviously with the carriers, I mean, you could fit, if you wanted more palettes, you could easily fit, I would say, if they were the same size, you could probably get 4 more palettes in there, but you could put your foundation and, you know, if you, another primer, your foundation, your concealer, your powders, your mascara, you know, if you just use these 2, and you could always, you know, add more brushes and lip products and stuff like that. So I like these kits from Ulta just because I love beauty on a budget. And I find that these, you know, that these palettes, and I'm going to be keeping these palettes because I've been giving a lot of palettes away. So, you know, the pans are kind of small, but I think you can still get your, you know, brushes in there. So this was this color right here. And that's right here on my arm. So it's nice, you know, it's a nice, it feels nice in the pan. And that was the bronzer. So that's the bronzer right there. And there it is. I don't want to do the liners or that with my fingers, just because that's going to go, you know, since they're creamy. But there's some eyeshadows, and let me see, I didn't use this one. So this is a highlighter. Let's see that one. Maybe we might have to do 2 of those. So the highlighter is right there. You can still see it. So that's that one. And then this one, let's try for colors. Let's try the green. We'll put that there. Oh, that's pretty. So I tried this green right here. And there it is right there. And we'll try, maybe this color right here. Oops. So I tried this color right here to swatch. I just don't want this all over the place. And there, that is right there, that purple. So these are nice. Maybe we should try, do I have a clean finger here? Let's try this bronzer since it's a little darker. Okay, so I tried this color right here, this bronzer. And there it is sitting right there. And do I have another clean finger? Is that finger dirty? Yes. So we'll use our thumb. And see if we can get the highlighter. Okay. So I used this right here. And that's right there. So that's showing up. So I'm pretty happy. Well, now I have stuff all over me. So I'm pretty happy with this kit. I have several other kits, but I really do like these from Ulta for $20. You're pretty much getting an all-inclusive kit where everything is included that you will need. So this is the Ulta Beauty Make Today Pretty, and this is a 52-piece collection. And it's $167 value that I paid $19.99. And no offense, but I would pay, you know, the $20 just to have the kit because it's got the velvet lining and it's nice and sturdy and form-fitting. Plus, I love the two little carrier containers, the palettes, the eyeshadows, and the bronzers, the highlighters, lip gloss, brushes, lip liners. So you get everything that you will possibly need. So that's my video for today, and this is an Ulta haul, and it is December 2018. Thanks for watching. Have a good day. Bye.